In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark an email as important in Gmail. Fix today. Here, let's begin. Start by opening your browser and going to the Gmail website. Make sure you're already logged into your account so you can access your inbox. Once you're inside Gmail, look at your inbox where all your emails are listed. Next to each sender's name, you'll see a small arrow icon. This is the importance marker, and it usually appears as a gray arrow outlined by default. To mark an email as important, simply click that arrow icon. Once clicked, it will turn yellow, which means the email is now marked as important. This helps Gmail recognize that this message matters to you. If you already have an email open, you can also mark it as important from inside the message. Look to the right of the subject line and you'll find the same arrow icon. Click it and it will turn yellow, marking the email as important instantly. If you want to mark multiple emails at the same time, go back to your inbox and click the checkboxes next to the emails you want to update. After selecting them, go to the top toolbar and click the 3 vertical dots, also known as the More Options menu. From the drop-down, select Mark as Important, and all selected emails will be updated at once. To quickly view all your important emails in one place, go to the left sidebar and click the Important label. If you don't see it right away, you can also use the search bar at the top and type "important," then press Enter. This will filter and show only the emails marked as important. It's also helpful to know that marking an email as important is different from starring it. A star is more like a personal bookmark, while the importance marker helps train Gmail's system. By marking emails as important, you're helping Gmail understand which types of messages should be prioritized in the future. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.